Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove saved pin on Pinterest. So let's open the Pinterest app, and from here go to the saved section, and here you can see the pin option. And in here you'll find out all the pin photos or videos that you have saved. And from here choose any photos or videos that you want to remove from the pin list. And here simply tap on this three dot icon and choose the option edit pin, and here you will find out the option delete this pin option. You can simply tap on this option, and you can see the you won't be able to get it back. So once it's deleted, it will be permanently deleted from Pinterest, so you must be careful about this one. And simply tap on this delete option, your pin will be deleted. So basically that's the way to remove any pin from the Pinterest. So hope this video find helpful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.